Welcome to the WooCommerce EAN and UPC code generator, the easiest way to create EAN-13, EAN-8, and UPC barcodes for all your WooCommerce products. This powerful tool automatically generates accurate and consistent barcodes across your entire store. To generate new EAN, UPC, or Code128 barcodes, follow these simple steps. 1. Select the barcode format you want to use. 2. Then choose the barcode number source. This is the field from which the code will be created. 3. Now click the Assign Code button. You'll see the total number of products in your store along with a progress bar that shows real-time generation status. Just wait a moment while the plugin updates each product automatically. Once the process is finished, you'll see a completed message confirming that all codes have been successfully applied. Finally, go to your products page. You'll notice that all SKUs or your selected field have been replaced with your newly generated EAN-13 codes, consistent, accurate, and ready to use. That's how easy it is to generate barcodes with the WooCommerce EAN and UPC code generator functionality. With one click, you can assign the generated code directly to the barcode, SKU, or GTIN fields, keeping your product catalog perfectly organized. Save time, reduce errors, and keep your store perfectly organized with automated barcode creation. Thanks for watching.